Afternoon, welcome to Riders in Bristol. My name's Stuart, I'm the Ducati brand manager. Thought I'd just give you a rundown of everything that's happening in Riders today. So we've got a nice wet October day. We've got new Panigale 25 plate. We've got the previous 24 plate. So if you do want to come in and have a test ride when the weather's better, you're more than welcome to. Also got a couple of multi-stratas behind me. We've got the Rally V4S. We've also got the V2S as well. So again, one of our three favourites. Come in and have a ride on those whenever you're good and ready. Come on into the showroom. So, we've got a couple of Diavels in the front here. Our line of Panigale V4Ss. So we've got ones from 1299s, we've got V4Rs, got loads of different models, all tastefully modified. Some have got full acro exhaust systems, loads to get your teeth into. As we come on down, personal favourite, Monster SP. So this is one that's been kitted up with Olin suspension, straight through decat, heated grips, Evotech levers, and a turny slip-on. Wicked, wicked bike, great, lots of fun. Then come on over to our multi-stratas. We've got a row of them here, and there's some really good offers on them at the moment with £2,500 towards them, excluding the Rally. So different colours, different specs, and then we'll come on round to the other part of the showroom. And obviously there's a personal favourite of mine, Street Fighter V4S. So that, again, that's got the Olin suspension, awesome bat wings that give you 30 kilos of downforce when you're going along. Great bit of fun, pushing out over 200 brake horsepower. What a wicked bit. And then one of our more adventurous types, got the Desert X's. So we've got a nice previously loved one here with little to no miles on it. We've got a brand new one in stock. And also the Desert X Rallies, that was brand new out this year. Awesome looking thing. And then, let's come around to the Scramblers. New Scramblers, all out now, so we've got the Icon. They've just dropped the new full throttle, which we should be getting any day soon. We'll upload a video of that when it arrives. We've got the Urban Motard, which is Gen 1. Really cool thing, it's got those super moto tyres, really good bit of fun around the towns and on the country loads. And then come on round. Now, usually this isn't my sort of neck of the woods, but we'll give you a little detour down into the Harley world. We've got some really cool bits of stock in with speakers. Again, this is one of our clients' sort of special orders at the moment. He's coming back from China to collect that. Then we've got Heritages with and without screens. Got the ultra cool Breakout over in the corner. Villain's bike, absolutely cool. And we've got some of our 883s, I think that's got the 1200 conversion in it. And this just arrived last week. Yeah, let's go and head on upstairs. We've got our oldest member of staff in the corner. He's been here for quite a while. Nice name tag on it as well. And we've got lots of clothing, loads of offers on here. So yeah, when you're popping in, come and have a chat with the boys, see what we can do on helmets, things like that. It's really, really cool. We've got all the latest Ducati clothing around here, bags, accessories. You can also buy these jackets, which I've got on. Back protectors, loads of bits, little stocking fillers if you want to get ahead on the Christmas shopping. And then again, another favourite of mine, Street Fighter V4 24 model, brand new and upstairs. Brill. And then we'll come on down and get the best view of the Ducati dealership. Best desk in the building, joking. Little bits of Lego to keep me entertained during the old lockdown hours. Panigale all built in there. Awesome, so we're going to go have a look at some used bikes. Come on over. So here we've got a massive selection of approved, used, non-franchise bikes. Kawasaki's, KTM's, BMW's, Honda's, you name it. Plenty to get our teeth into. Let's go and have a look at the workshop. See what goodies we've got. Hello chaps. Hello. Hello, hello. Brilliant, welcome to the workshop. Got a lovely 1299 Panigale R final edition at the moment, stunning bit of kit. Head to what's inside with the double Krapovich wheelbarrow exhaust. Looks brilliant. Yeah, come on out. Loads of sports dresses in, massive popular model this year. Plenty of these. And then welcome to the bits that not everyone sees. So out here we've just got a selection of bikes, customers, sales, MOTs, those sort of things. And we've got some wicked bikes that we don't see every single day. We've got some Fat Boys, Monster 821 Stealth, Multistradas, Super Sports, a Sports Dress, and he's had something really cool done. So underneath there, they've had the lower bit done and painted, which I think is a lovely little touch, especially in that sort of burnt orange colour. And then we come down to something that you don't see every day. One of the old Springers. Crikey, we don't see those. That's a lovely, lovely Springer Softail. But yeah, that sort of concludes our Riders tour of Bristol. Feel free to pop in at any time. Telephone number, again, that's 01179 588 777. I'm Stuart, the brand manager here, so give us a shout whenever you're good and ready. Cheers, guys.